Dear students, research scholars, faculty members, once again I welcome you on this online platform. Today's our another important session on electronic resources, on e-books, e-journals access. See, the electronic resources plays a vital role in higher education sector. The University Grants Commission and Ministry of HRD has taken many initiatives and efforts for the development of higher education and disseminating informations on the Digital India program. These electronic resources to reach each and every corner of the country for the not only for the students, research scholar, faculty members, and also to the lifelong learners. For this, taken into consideration, the Department of Library and Information Science Islamia College has taken the initiative to conduct this program, online library resources orientation program, on the topic of InflameNet, Enlist books and journals. Okay, so we will move into this session one by one. This is the InflameNet homepage, Information Library Network Center, created by the University Grants Commission, Ministry of Education, Government of India, and Autonomous Inter-University Center. So under this platform, the InflameNet Center providing many resources for the research scholars, students, and faculty members. First one, we will select it in the major activities. Under the major activities, e-consortium, e-Shod Sindhu, Shod Sudhi, Enlist program, and Infoport, Shod Ganga, Shod Sudhi, EPG Pathshala, Vidyamatra, e-content portal, and Souls automation software, etc. There are many services, resources provided by the InflameNet Center. So under this, we will click it in the InflameNet Enlist program. Enlist is the National Library and Information Services infrastructure for the scholarly content is Enlist. Under the Enlist program, those who are membering institutions may access this program from their desktop, not only from their institution but also from their home itself. So the username password will be provided by the librarian to all the students, research scholars, faculty members. For that purpose, every academic year, newly enrolled students and research scholars may submit their course details and their personal email ID. Based on the email ID, the librarian or the admin of the program create the username password and provide it to all the students and research scholars and faculty members. So now we will, after login this, the arrow mark indicated in this members login portal, we click it in this login portal, then it will open like this. After opening this, you put it your email ID and username password, and then you click it. Okay, so after entering the username password, the home page of the Enlist program opened here. There will be two columns, that is e-journals column and e-books column. So under this, we will see one by one. On first of all, we will see the e-books portal, e-books column under the Enlist program. So the arrow mark indicated is one of the first one of the Cambridge books portal. See, we will, after selecting that Cambridge, we will click it. It will be opened like this. The Cambridge Journal Online, they ask the rules and regulation. They will checking their concerned login ID is eligible for to access the books. So you have to log in it again in this platform. So then you will enter it and accept the rules and regulations here mentioned in this. Okay, you accept the rules and regulations, then it will be opened in the home page of the Cambridge University Press publications. So under this, you now the browse by subject. Now the option given in this bottom of the slide. So arrow mark is indicated. Now you may you may click it here. Okay, after clicking this portal, it will be opened by browse by subject in alphabetical order. It is anthropology, archaeology, arts studies. So like that, one by one here highlighted, indicated. See, for example, we will select the physics subjects, physics and astronomy. The arrow mark is indicated there, blue color arrow mark. So you may select the physics and astronomy subject. Okay, it will be so opened like this. The subdivisions of the astronomy, physics subjects. So under this, you may select it astrophysics subject. Okay, astrophysics, the arrow mark is indicated in the left side. Okay, you select under the astrophysics, astronomy, astrophysics subject, then it will be opened like this. There will be many books available under this. There will be how many books? More than 241 results available. Okay, so 241 result. Among these, you selected this book. Under this book, the gravitational free body dynamics, one of the book is indicated in the blue color arrow mark, gravitational free body dynamics. You select it, the book front page with the chapters will be opened in the next slide. Okay, see under this, the gravitational free body dynamics is displayed with the under the chapters, e-content chapters also indicated in this that bracket. Also I have mentioned that left side, you see that left side the arrow mark is indicated to download the book in PDF format. So you may download it, or otherwise you may select it in each chapter or any particular chapter, you download it. Okay, so now the another important portal in under the Enlist ebooks is Springer, one of the reputed publishers of Springer publications, the springer.com. So under this platform, so the subject wise category available under the platform. Totally 38,332 results are displayed here. That is books, records available books. So browse by alphabetical order here. See, on the other hand, you may browse it on the alphabetically order. So A to Z the subjects are available. So there are two options available in this portal to select the books. So under this we select the mathematics subject. Okay, we will select the mathematics subject. See, one of the there are many books available in this mathematics subject displayed here. 2,457 results are available, records are available. So under this you may select it, the algebraic approximations, one of the book, the arrow mark is indicated here. Okay, so you may select that book. After clicking that book, it will be displayed here. See, the cover page of the book is displayed here. Algebraic approximation, a guide to post and current solution. Okay, past and current solution. So the chapters also available here. Content of the book chapters. So you may download each one, or otherwise you may download it in full text in the arrow mark indicated download PDF format. After selecting that one, the book will be opened in the PDF format. Okay, I have minimized this screen and see that the pages will be continued. So you may download it, this book. Not only this, and apart from that, many subjects, many of the other, apart from the subject engineering and other subjects also available in this platform. Okay, so you may download it. Another one important portal for the books section is under the Enlist program, EBSCO-host. Okay, so EBSCO-host, this is the home page of the portal. I have indicated that arrow mark where you have to click it there. You accept the rules and regulation, then it will be open as the collections. So the left side is browse by category, that is by subjects. So you may select your subject. You select your subject and you browse one by one. For similarly above section we have seen this, no, so like that you have to select it, or otherwise you type one of the subject on a common subject, e-business. Okay, you search by common that status bar is there, search bar. So you put it in the e-business, one of the subject of the commerce. So the list of books available totally 1 to 9 pages. There will be a 1 to 9 pages available. EBSCO-host. Okay, so there are arrow mark indicated is for the download of the full text of the book, also clearly indicating to download it if you need it. Okay, so Sage, one of the reputed publishers, so e-marking that after selecting the book, the book will be opened like this. See, that book is opened with the left side is indicating the contents column, content, title page, cover page, and who is the publishers, and chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 listed out. So the full book is displayed here, so you may download it or otherwise you take a printout. Okay, so we will see the another reputed publishers in this platform, Sage Publications. So similarly for the above EBSCO-host and the Springer, like that, the Sage Publication portal opened here. So now you click it as Sage Books, our collections, Sage Books. You select it, the arrow mark indicated. After the selection of the Sage Books, the platform opened like this, discipline wise. Okay, discipline wise. So you may select it by subject category, or books on all Sage Books. Otherwise you may search, browse all Sage Books. See, you click it here, browse all Sage Books, and then it will be opened all the books in one by one. It will be displayed. So you select it, any one book among these, any one book relevant to your topic. For example, if you select the basic research methods, I have indicated that arrow mark, basic research method, one of the book, you select it. Okay, then it will be opened like this, basic research method, details of the publishers, author, title, number of pages and chapters. Each chapters will be opened. So like that you may download it each one by one. Okay, otherwise you take a printout. So now we will going to see the another important topic is Enlist online journals. The online journals, the first column in the Enlist home page is the journals column, American Institute of Physics. Okay, so the EBSCO journal, indianjournals.com, Institute of Physics, JSTOR journal, Oxford University Press, like that. There will be 9-10 column rows of publishers available. So among these, one important we will be seeing this American Institute of Physics is one of the first one. We will select it. Okay, we will select the American Institute of Physics, then it will be as the accept username login ID. So you accept that one, then it will be opened the, after accepting the rules and regulation, then it will be opened the American Institute of Publishing, the homepage. Here I have read the agree the terms and condition. You click it, yes, you agree it. Okay, this is the policy of the publishers, so we have to accept it. Okay, now the AAP publishing shows the what are the journals displayed here published, or otherwise you search by browse. The arrow mark is indicated. Okay, so you may click it here and it will be opened like that. See the list of journals available one by one. So you may among these journals you select it biomicrofluidics. Okay, biomicrofluidics, one of the physics subject. Okay, it will be opened like this. The cover page of the journal opened here. Okay, then volume number, issue number, and July recent issue of July 2020. The contents of the journal, articles, that is the articles. So that left side column, other issues and volume and issues and other previous year public journals also displayed there. If you want to see the back issues, you may select it and view it. Okay, so now we will select it in this current issue. Okay, you may download it. Another important portal is JSTOR, Journal Storage Portal. This you may select it. Common search also indicated in this central part. Search journals, primary sources and books, or JSTOR, or otherwise you browse by subject, title and publisher. Okay, you browse by subject, title or publisher. Now we will select it by subject wise. See the alphabetical order it is. The subjects are browsed here. So you may select any journal. Okay, for relevant to you, needed you. Okay, you will select it, any one journal, browse by it, or otherwise browse by title. These also are alphabetically ordered here. So you may select whatever it is. This is the easy option. So among the alphabetical order, the journals displayed here, journals list. So I have scrolled down these. So among this, I have selected the Journal of Accounting Research. Journal of Accounting Research I have selected here. See that journal will be opened here. Journal of Accounting Research, volume number, issue number, and previous issues. Okay, so under this you open it and download it. Okay, so another important portal is for the journals, indianjournals.com. See, this is another important and reputed journal for the Indian publications. There will be three options to search the journal article: title wise, author wise, and publisher wise. If you know the publisher of the journal, you may type it, or if you know the title of the journal, you type it the journal, or otherwise author wise you may search it. Okay, so now we will select it. These products, among the status bar products, there will be journals, subject, collections, articles, and UGCCR list of journals, dictionary, etc. So among these we will see the journals here, journals list alphabetically displayed here. Okay, the journals will be displayed alphabetically. So among these, now we will select one of the journal, Asian Journal of Research in Banking and Finance. For example, Asian Journal of Research in Banking and Finance, we will select it. The journal will be opened with the contents and abstract. So the page, the number of page, volume number, issue number, and other details are here. So you may click it and open the journal. Full text will be displayed here. See, Asian full text opened here. Okay, one of the article published here, full text available, so you may download it or take a printout. Okay, so this is the very shortest method of alphabetical order selection, or subject wise also you may search it. Okay, the subject wise collections are displayed here, number and subscription rate also. Hard copies also available in the library, but also you may soft copy is very much useful for to time saving concern. So to save the time of the reader, online is one of the important essential platform. So now the another list is, see, UGC care list of journals. UGC care list of, I think it's not clearly displayed. Okay, the UGC care list. Okay, now the list is clearly opened, that UGC care Scopus indexed journals. Okay, so these are the reputed journals and reputed publishers. So you may submit your articles or publish your articles, journals in this platform. For the, it is useful for the research community and the faculty members, those who are waiting for the career advancement scheme. So the one of the reputed publisher of Scopus. So UGC mandatory for the publication UGC care list of journals. So this is the article submission platform, manuscript submission section. So you may select it any journal in this. According to your subject community, you may submit your article to this journal platform. Okay, so the with this I conclude my session. So actually the InflipNet provides more than 6,000 plus online journals, and ebooks provides more than 30 lakhs of books at recently. It will be very much useful for the research scholars communities. So I request you, all the academicians, to subscribe this platform InflipNet. Particularly one information for the institutions, that those who are 12B category status, they can access this InflipNet on 5,900 only. On the other hand, it is non 12B category status colleges, they have to pay 36,000. So this is very much useful for the 12B category colleges, they have to subscribe it. Okay, so with this I would like to thank all the participants, research scholars, students, faculty members, for the patient listening. Thank you, and thank you very much.